Hello everyone, welcome to the class. I am Jaranjit here from California Public School. I hope you are fit and fine at your home. Today we are going to start formatting of the charts in MS Excel. Formatting a chart. Formatting improves the appearance of the chart. It gives the different look, different style, different border to the chart. We can format the chart in various ways, and first topic is changing the plot area background. To change the plot area, we have to just right click on the plot area, and after right clicking there are option format plot area. Select the format plot area option, then dialog box is appeared. From there I am selecting the fill tab, and you can select any fill type. I am selecting the solid fill. For that you have to choose the color. I am selecting the green color. Then there is a transparency option. It means आप उस कलर को कितना डार्क शो करना चाहते हो और लाइट शो करना चाहते हो. Yes, according to the transparency. Then you can set anywhere. Then close. After that you can see बेटा your plot area background है जो उसकी that will be changed according to your settings. And you can select the gradient fill also, and from there you can select any predefined gradient and linear, rectangular, how you want. Then select the option. I am selecting here rectangular option. Then select the color. I am selecting yellow color. Then close. Your background will be changed according to the gradient fill. Yes, now I am selecting the solid fill only. Then your background is in the solid color. Second is to change the background of the chart area. Just go to the chart area and right click. Select the option format chart area. After that same dialog box is appear. Then you can select any fill. I am selecting the solid fill. Then change the color, that is red. Your chart area is displayed as per setting. Now I am choosing here texture fill. You can select any texture that is given in Excel. Yes, according to that your chart area will be formatted. Student, just click on the title marks, double click and write the title here. I am writing the title result. And after that we can also insert the chart title according to our choice. So for that we have to go to the layout tab, and in MS Excel 2016 this option is in the design tab. Okay, just go to the layout tab, select the option add chart element in the chart layouts group, and there are two options, above chart or centered overlay option. We can select any that we want, in which area we want to display the chart title. So we can select any. After typing the chart title, click OK. You can see your title will be displayed as per the settings. Students, we can also apply formatting on the chart title. So right click on the chart title, select the option format chart title from the pop-up menu, and again the dialog box is appeared. From that you have to choose the color filling. I am choosing the solid fill, so I am giving the red color to it. Then close. Your background of your chart title is changed. Hence we can change the axis also. So right click on the Y axis and select the option format axis from the shortcut menu. Here dialog box is appeared. We have to select the format axis task pane on the right hand side, and then we have to enter the minimum and maximum value. Then press OK. Formatting the legend. Students, we can also change the formatting of the legend. So right click on the legend, yes, like marks, and choose the option format legend from the pop-up menu. And here we have to select the fill color. Yes, and we can also give the border to the legend. Yes, in border we have to select the width of that border and style of that border, as well as we can change the color of that border. After settings, close the window. Your changes will be appeared in the chart as per we have done in the settings. Last topic is formatting the data series. Go to the data series, that are the bars that we are used here. So right click on the data series and pop-up menus appeared. From the shortcut menu, we have to select the format data series option. Here dialog box is appeared. We can select any style from this fill. You have to give the color for it, and if we are choosing picture or texture fill, then there is option. There are some textures are available in the computer. We can choose any, and we can also choose the gradient color. Depends upon your choice. You can select any format for the background. You can also give the border to the data series. From the dialog box we can select the border. Now right click again on the data series and select the option fill. From there you have to change the border and you have to select the texture. Yes, in data series the texture is filled. If you are choosing pattern fills, then there are so many patterns that are available. You can choose any here, and you can give the shadow also. I am giving the shadow to the data series. So see students, see the difference here. That's all students. Thank you so much. Stay safe and healthy at your home. Goodbye.